So now I'm gonna empty the little robot form because I'm gonna clean it. So the first step is empty, and that's why you need to make sure to put a brand new bag just to put the cat litter. So you press empty, which is this one. Okay, you have to make sure to put all the cat litter out of it. Okay. Now you have to either restart or press cycle. I'm gonna restart. So this is how you put the glove into home position. And now you have to turn this off and unplug it. So now you can remove the bonnet and all that to clean the glove. So I'm gonna now lift the bonnet. You press here and on the other side at the same time. And that's how you remove it. You place this like this. And this is how it looks. Now you just lift the glove from here. And that's how it looks. Now you have to remove the filter. So I kind of flipped the glove. It was like this. I flipped it a little bit and I removed the filter. You gotta make sure to remove it to wash the glove. And now the glove is ready to be washed. Now I'm going to show you how to wash it.